Good afternoon, students. I hope you are doing well.
Yes. Yeah, great.
Good. What about today's weather? Do you like it?
Yes.
It's raining. Yeah? Okay. So let's dive into our lesson. At our previous lecture, we talked about general characteristics of intonation, the importance of intonation. Yeah? And at our just other lessons, we talked about the features of phonetics. What does it mean? Well, why do we need phonetics? About branches of phonetics and etc. So today I'd like to revise all the topics that we had. Okay? So it will be some kind of revision. Today Miss Munira, she has prepared some activity for you. Now we'll see how well did you just memorize or how well did you understand the lecture and the seminars. Yeah? Sanyam, the floor is yours. You may start.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are gonna revise what we learned during the lecture. So I prepared a geography activity for you. And first, you have to be divided into two groups. But you can be like this. This side is the first group, and this side is the second group. There are 10 questions overall. You can choose any one. And the easiest ones are 100, 200, and like this. It goes like this. They are difficulty. So the first one.
Which one do you want to choose?
200. Let's choose
200.
Yes.
first of
The word phonetics came from?
Greek.
Is it Greek?
Means sound.
Let's check. Good job. So, it's your 100.
This first part.
Second.
Linguists who study the sound systems of language are called? Really easy one.
Phonetics. Phonetics.
The last answer is like this.
Phonologists.
In English? Okay. Wrong answer.
Okay, 300. First of. Okay, our answer is in 9th century.
19th century. Good job. Okay. Others, be active. Why just Munira is answering? The second group?
First W pilot.
What is phonetics?
Phonetics is the study of sounds.
Good. Good job. Muhammad Ali. It's your turn. 200 second topic.
Two components.
How many?
Yes.
Good job. So, ladies and gentlemen, 300, yeah? What is segmental phonetics?
Like learning by chunks.
Your last answer.
Your last decision. So, we talked a lot about segmental and suprasegmental. Yeah? No.
With individual sounds.
It's compared with individual ones.
First group, which one?
Shahsaniyam?
400.
400.
That one?
Yes. Types of phonetics.
Two or theoretical and practical phonetics.
Theoretical and practical. Let's check.
Like many types, I think. Three.
Three. Articulatory, acoustic, and auditory.
So which one?
Second row, be active.
400.
So, suprasegmental. Segmental, it's about individual sounds. So, suprasegmental is about once more.
It was about not only individual thoughts, but when it comes in words or
Syllables.
bigger ones, in syllables. Yes.
Almost correct.
Deals with larger units, yeah?
Yeah.
Words, phrases, intonation, groups. Good job. And just last question.
First,
500, yeah? Articulatory phonetics. What is it?
It's the connection of inner mouths, like teeth and lips, or the tongue sticking between the teeth. Kind of.
mainly non-verbal, just
How speech sounds are produced. Okay, we accept your answer. And the last question for the second group. Why are you so gloomy today? Uplift your mood with a brilliant answer. So, how many types of syllable are there? You mean, what do you mean here? Types of syllables.
5 types of syllables.
6.
5 or 6? 6. Okay.
Like 3.
3. Open, close, syllable with consonant clusters. Okay?
The winner is first group.
So, something happened with our second group today, yes? You are too silent today. Okay, good job. Congratulations. Take it. So, today Mirbek and Gülzade is going to make a presentation about English fricatives. So, the floor is yours. You may start.
Okay. First of all, good afternoon, everyone. And today's our topic: English fricatives. Okay, English fricatives. For the introduction, I should explain what is it like. Fricatives, it's like now we know that there are some English words. It might be tricky when we hear that words like say or say. By mastering this kind of such kind of words, we can improve or develop our speaking and listening input. Not only input but also output. It's kind of words like consonant sounds. We push the air from our mouth, like hissing or buzzing. It's kind of words and sounds. Okay, why fricatives are important because when we speak in English, we should pay attention to our pronunciation and fluency first of all, and fricatives can help with this kind of issues or like minor issues. Okay, they help speakers pronounce words correctly. That's the main importance about fricatives. And even small differences can change meaning. Or as I said, that safe, the words safe and safe. These two words are different. And in order to clarify what kind of words we should say, we should pay attention to this kind of consonants like F and V.
Okay, types of fricatives. There are two main types of fricatives. They are sibilant and non-sibilant fricatives. Sibilant fricatives are they have a strong hissing sound. For example, in the words san, zu, here the S and the Z is sibilant fricative. And the non-sibilant fricatives are they are softer than non-sibilant fricatives. For example, in the words fan, sing, and this, hat. Here the F, T, and the H is non-sibilant fricatives. And also, fricatives are divided into two types. They are voiced and voiceless fricatives. Voiced fricatives use vocal chords when we use them. For example, in the words fan, here the F is voiceless fricatives, and in the van is V is voiced fricatives. It's different from voiced fricatives. Voiceless fricatives don't use vocal cords.
The place of articulation. As I mentioned before, that the presentation in the activity, there are some articulative like sounds or that we produce. For example, fish and voice. Okay, when we say fish, our upper teeth side touch our bottom lips, and we should do this again. But there are some other words like we should add our tongue between the teeth, like think or thinks. And this sounds depends on our mouth position. Our innermost side, like organs, we can say, all works together in this kind of words.
Some fricatives also made with the help of the tongue, with near the roof of the mouth. For example, in the words san, zu, here the fricatives are made with the tongue, and it's near the roof of the mouth. And the other words are made further back in the mouth. For example, in the words she, measure, and it's different from each other. And the small difference can also change the meaning of words.
Okay, to wrap up these things, fricatives are essential parts of, like, we can say, pronunciation of the speech or phonology, like for our speaking and listening, comprehension and understanding. They help to differ words from each other, and they also help us to improve our speaking and listening output. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention, and that's all.
Okay. Okay, thank you for your informative presentation. Now I think, students, do you have any questions to them?
Yes.
Okay, Munira?
Okay, my question is about suprasegmental.
Uh-huh.
What is suprasegmental?
It was in our revision task, yeah?
Suprasegmental studies larger elements in phonetics. For example, rhythm, tempo, intonation, and the pause. Segmental phonetics also studies, but it's different from suprasegmental. It studies
It deals with single individual.
sound like consonants and vowels.
Okay, same thing. Others? Okay, guys. Mohammed, do you have any question? No? Okay.
Can you tell about the types of fricatives?
Okay, types of fricatives. It was in our presentation, but
Yes.
can you just again remind?
Okay. Types of fricatives. As I mentioned before, that there are two articulate places like in order to produce the fricatives, like consonants or words, like between the connection our T's and lips, and the second one is between connection our T's and tongue, and that's it.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you.
Yes.
Take a seat. So next, now Munira, she says that she has prepared some activities for you again for revising today's topic, fricatives. So Munira, you are welcome.
Okay, guys, I hope you have informed main features of fricatives. So I have prepared an activity related to our topic. In this activity, you have should drag this types of fricatives like this. For example, alveolar, and you have to find the example for this type of
Fricatives,
yes.
yes?
For example, what do you think? Which word is suitable for the alveolar?
Sun.
First one is
First one.
okay.
So let's do it in turn.
Okay, it was example. So let's start at the beginning.
From the early beginning. Do we need any volunteers?
No. You don't need any volunteers. I will drag. You will see.
Let's choose for the first one, labiodental.
Labiodental. Okay.
And
the
five
word
back.
Yes.
Good job.
Next. Dental. At the end, we will check.
And this.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah.
100%.
Okay. Next.
Post alveolar.
Okay, post
Alveolar.
Have some problems? Some
Sun and two. Next.
post measure,
Measure, okay. And last one. The correct word is house. Okay, let's check the answers. Correct.
Good job. Thank you. Now I see that you comprehend today's our topic. Thank you, Munir.